Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kim if you're new here, and today I'll be doing a brow tutorial. I'm really new to YouTube. This is my first video, so please like and subscribe. Yeah, let's get into it. So when doing your brows, you want the end of your brow to be even with your eye, corner of your eye and your nose, so to stop. Then you go to the middle of your eye. Up is where your arch should be. Straight up is where your brow should end. Same with the other side, obviously. So to do it the way I do my eyebrows, at least, I start by taking a small angled brow brush and just filling in the end of it and shaping it how I want. And then I fill it in till about there. And take the angled brush and the farthest part up and brushing it up and out. And then I take my spoolie, which is I just got from an old brow pencil, and brush up the front to even it out to make sure it's not too dark. I use this e.l.f. 2-in-1 clear eyebrow gel and clear mascara. I use it to keep my brows in place. And yeah. And that's how I do them usually. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe, and you can comment more ideas down below, and I will take some suggestions. Please like, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.